na aking isiniwalat, yung privilege speech ko doon sa Kongreso, ginalaw yung special accounts in the general fund and the use of income, no? UIGF, use of income in the general fund. Yung dalawa, which are both sourced from earmark funds, are considered automatic appropriations kasi they are already meron ng existing na batas, no? There are existing laws that provides na every year or yung particular income na na-generate nila ay naka-earmark na. Ang ibig sabihin may gagastusan na. So, yung ating sources of income dyan sa ating national budget or sa General Appropriations Act, yung pinakauna dyan, yung automatic appropriations, which is automatically appropriated, usually hindi na yan ginagalaw. Kasi every year, sa buong stay ko yan sa Congress, mag 15 years na ako, nag-start ako ng 2007, nawala lang ako nung 2016 to 2019, but 2019 nakabalik ako. Never ginagalaw yung automatic appropriations.